Welcome back to my channel Top Gear. The 2025 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup redefines the concept of modern custom-built vehicles, blending classic design with state-of-the-art performance. This machine embodies a unique combination of old-school charm and cutting-edge technology. The Hot Rod Pickup is crafted for enthusiasts who crave a thrilling driving experience while appreciating vintage aesthetics. It represents the best of both worlds, offering a nostalgic exterior paired with advanced engineering under the hood. The exterior design of this pickup captures the spirit of the classic hot rod era with its sleek curves, bold lines, and unmistakable vintage grille. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to pay homage to the golden age of automotive design. The body is lightweight and made of high-quality materials, ensuring both durability and performance. The wide stance and low-slung profile give it a menacing look that turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood lies a beast of an engine designed to deliver jaw-dropping power and performance. The 2025 Hot Rod Pickup comes equipped with a custom-built V8 engine that roars to life with every touch of the accelerator. This engine is capable of producing an impressive amount of horsepower, giving drivers the thrill of raw speed and power. The vehicle features a state-of-the-art exhaust system that enhances performance while producing a deep growl that hot rod enthusiasts will love. The chassis and suspension system have been carefully engineered to provide an exceptional driving experience. The lightweight frame ensures agility and precision handling, while the advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and provides a smooth ride whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track. The Hot Rod Pickup offers a ride that is both thrilling and comfortable. The interior of the Hot Rod Pickup is a perfect blend of vintage style and modern functionality. The dashboard features classic gauges and switches that evoke a sense of nostalgia, while modern touches such as a touchscreen infotainment system and advanced connectivity options ensure convenience and practicality. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, providing comfort and support even during long drives. Every element of the interior has been designed with the driver in mind. Safety is not compromised in this powerful machine. The Hot Rod Pickup is equipped with modern safety features including advanced braking systems, stability control, and airbags, ensuring that drivers can enjoy the thrill of the ride with peace of mind. Despite its vintage appearance, this vehicle is a modern marvel that meets the highest safety standards. The customization options available for the 2025 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup make it a dream come true for car enthusiasts. Buyers can choose from a variety of paint colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes, allowing them to create a vehicle that is truly unique. Performance upgrades are also available, enabling drivers to further enhance the power and capabilities of their hot rod. The Hot Rod Pickup is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of individuality and passion for automotive culture. It represents the freedom to create and customize a machine that reflects your personality and style. This pickup is perfect for those who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into building a custom vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of hot rods, the 2025 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Pickup offers an experience like no other. It combines the thrill of high-performance driving with the timeless appeal of classic automotive design. This is more than just a truck, it is a work of art, a tribute to the past and a testament to the future of automotive innovation. The 2025 F.